You see. What do you think?
Top of the morning. What a difference a year makes for weather.
I'll tell you what, you couldn't ask for a better day.
It's beautiful, absolutely stunning.
Weather for all 160 cars to come back.
To get the
and all the unlimited
out.
Exactly.
I think they will. I really do.
We started shutting down the highway back in 1998. It's been a family-run event. My dad was the previous director for the past 19 years, and I've taken it over since. We've got various speed classes of going from unlimited all the way down to 85 miles an hour. The unlimited cars will complete the 59-mile course in roughly 22 to 24 minutes with hitting speeds of 200 miles an hour, averaging about 170.
Why do you do the Big Bend race?
Well, it is probably the most fun I've ever had in my life. So nothing better than being able to drive fast legally.
Oh, it's our only chance to go run at a speed that's not legal, but legal this year.
The speed. I mean, let's face it, everybody out there's been, everybody's done 100 miles an hour on the highway, but run 125 or 130 for 30 minutes straight through 61 corners in one direction with elevation changes, and it is just a blast. Love it.
The racing's 1 hour. We do this for the fellowship, for the community, for all that. It's just our way of giving back. We're lucky enough to have cars like this. We just want to share.
We did a little car show for the kids at the school. They come out with t-shirts on, and we sign all their shirts. They think we're Mario Andretti, and it's just, it makes their, I want to say it makes their day, but I'm thinking it makes their year.
Please tell me you're done. See if I took any pictures.
Wait, do over.
The only report we've had out on the track is roughly 12 to 15 miles from the starting line. There's some buzzards flying around. There was some roadkill. It's been removed, but there's still some lingering buzzards. But other than that, let's be safe, have fun, and I'll see you guys on the Sanderson end.
Yes,
Thank you.
So I'm driving a 1972 Mustang Mach 1, originally a 351 Cleveland, and we've taken the block and we've put a cam and things in it, and it's running a 383 stroker kit, which was supplied by SCAT. So we've got pistons, rods, whole 9 yards, everything's forged from the bottom down. The only thing stock on the motor is the block that came from Ford back in 1971, so she's ready to rock and roll.
Car. There's another one coming up too, but this is a rock slinger.
Yeah.
It's the people. This is the craziest bunch of folks I think I've ever been around, and it is just a blast to come out here and to get to know these folks, learn about their cars, the people that throw the race, that actually do all the work, the legwork that happens, safety crews, everything. It's so well organized, it's so well put together, and it's just an amazing experience.
Why I do the Big Bend Open Road Race is, just the thrill of a challenge and the thrill of putting something together and making it go from point A to point B and back to point A in one piece, and of course competing. I mean, it's just all about competition. You have fun at the end of the day, but you do have a competitive spirit.